Okay, maybe 3 hours later, but I got it on. It was very tedious getting all the hangers, but it's on, and and I did silicone all the joints, all the bolts, all the nuts. Yeah, I'm a mess. It's probably the only exhaust system that's been siliconed. But the silicone was going bad. It was hardening even when I cut it open. It was hardening more and more as I was working. So it's on there. I think it's in position. The hangers are in. I did have to be a little creative right here. I had a broken hanger from another vehicle, so I sandwiched it in there. There was another piece that probably went there, but it just wasn't going to work. So I sandwiched it in there, wrapped it with inner tube, which has worked out really well for me. Inner tube rubber, the sun will degrade it, so if it's in the sun, it will not last for too many years. But under the truck, I've used it a couple times to buffer things, and the one I disconnected back there, I mean, the rubber was as good as the day I put it on, so I just reused it and put it back on. It was modified somewhat. There was an extra hanger added at the end there near the tailpipe, but this is like the third or fourth muffler system, exhaust system, so I went through a few modifications, but overall it's I did have to grind off the one over here a little bit because it didn't seem to be fitting good, so I ground off the so I got a smoother fit. Yeah, it's in. I'm looking forward to starting it up, and hopefully it's nice and quiet. I prefer them really quiet. This is a quiet flow exhaust system, so I'm expecting the best here. Okay, I'm going to clean up. Got stuff all over here. Let's get everything cleaned up, and then maybe I will start it just to see what it sounds like. It's on. And it's solid too. There's a little bit of flex to it, but not much.